Hi guys, we're gonna have Tropical Storm Amanda this weekend on the end of the week here in the Pacific. We're very close to Mexico and Guatemala. I'm gonna show you here the National Weather Service is giving a 70% chance to become a tropical cyclone in the next 5 days. Here is Saturday. Saturday will be about tropical storm 999 millibars. Will be moving right through Guatemala, the city of Guatemala. Winds, we will see winds around possible wind gusts. We'll see wind gusts of 40-60 mile per hour winds here, and in the ocean it will be moving right there in Guatemala by Sunday. Sunday we're gonna see gust winds of 40 miles per hour winds in the coast of Guatemala, and then by Sunday morning still 45 miles per hour winds in Guatemala. Puerto of San Jose, Pasaco, we'll see strong winds there for you guys on Sunday, and then on Sunday night afternoon winds will come back down because the tropical storm Amanda will dissipate as it crushes the mountains of Panama. Will be dying there.